Hey, so I and my wife and my brother-in-law have been working on my house, as well as a contractor as well. So we tried to do all the grunt work to make it cheaper. And we've been grunting a lot. So we went through and had to replace subfloor downstairs because it had a moisture problem. And so then I had people come in and install new joists because my joists were weak and because of the moisture. And then I had somebody come in and encapsulate underneath my house and install a dehumidifier. So hopefully between all that and then we did brand new subfloor, and I did way better than what they used previously. Because they were using particle board, fun times. And then we had a group come in and put down laminate, luxury vinyl plank. This is a stone composite that somehow wound up being cheaper than what I could get at Lowe's. But yeah, it's supposed to be guaranteed waterproof, and it looks great. And the pattern on these is amazing. It looks like real wood. So it'll probably last beyond me living there. And then we were gonna do carpet upstairs, and so I rented a pod for the downstairs. We put it in the front yard and we put everything in it, and then we did all the work had to be done downstairs and got it put in. And then we decided, we like this LVP. This is very nice. We should do this upstairs. And so we then emptied the second floor. And they were supposed to have come on Monday, but the van broke down that had our inventory in it. It was an hour away. He had it in a shop to get it fixed. It was a transmission, so that's not usually an overnight thing. And he kept saying, well, we'll probably be there Wednesday, and Wednesday didn't work out, so they showed up Thursday. I think the truck is still broke, but they just got another truck and loaded everything in it and brought it to the house. And so Thursday they came in and did the flooring. But we were so tired that we didn't try moving back upstairs Thursday night. We did put my daughter's room back. So, by the way, we ripped out all the carpet ourselves and ripped out all the staples and all the whatever that thing is that goes around the outside of the wall that's got the stubs that hold the carpet down. We went and took all of that down and out by ourselves, and I've made so many trips to the recycle center. Yeah, anyway, so because it was going to cost 60 cents a square foot to have them remove all that carpet, so we did it ourselves to save money. Anyway, so my brother-in-law is really good with spackle, and so he has been fixing the walls in the upstairs. And last night my wife did most of the painting. She insisted she did most of the painting in the office that we share, that's also my YouTube studio. And so put down primer because the paint on there before was kind of thick, so put down primer. And now we're putting down Repose Gray. Repose Gray is supposed to be a really video friendly color. It's the kind of gray that you can bounce light off of any color, and that's what color the wall is. So that's very convenient. And so I'm going to redo my studio. It's going to be totally different than previous, or maybe it'll have some inkling from previous, but the bookshelf's gone. I don't know what's going to go behind me yet. I'm still working through that, but I'm taking advantage of this time to do a better layout in my studio. And I've been doing research. I'm probably going to move my small rig light to shine on the wall behind me so that I've got more definition in my videos, since I do so many talking head videos. So anyway, so yeah, when the studio is done, I will share what it looks like. Anyway, I hope you have a great day. Bye.